Today, very heavy wind flowing in my Budia, and many trees are hanging and climb and the mango trees in my uh, village areas, all surrounded. Weather is very beautiful, very looking nice, very wonderful. It's God of creation. It's God. God is very beautiful, very lovely, very likely. Every people like it very much in this weather. All surrounded is fresh, airy, and many clouds in the sky, and just a few minutes rain in place areas, and very heavy flowing wind, and very sweet song in wind. It's God's. You have no seen God. God is feeling and having flowing leaf trees and rain and feeling. It's like it very much. It's lovely. It's God. I like it very much. I like it very much. Every people like it very much. Thank you.